Want to learn this edit?
Reflection of the game.
Here's Ronaldo looking for the goal. Getting it.
Told you he was frustrated. Now he feels happy.
Open Filmora 14 and import your scrolling video. Drag and drop it to your editing timeline. Select the clip and use Crop Tool, set aspect ratio to custom. Now go to Effects and search for Corner Pin. You can click the plus button or drag and drop it to your video clip. Click on this effect icon and it will show you the Effects tab of Corner Pin. Here you can try different positioning for your clip by dragging the X and Y positions to left and right. To undo all changes, just click this reset button. Our goal in this editing tutorial is to make a pseudo 3D scrolling effect that we can use to overlay on other videos. And you need to use keyframing for this. Just click these buttons to set the first keyframe. You may now experiment on this corner pin effect and edit whatever direction you want your scrolling video to be facing. I want it to look like it's facing left and right. Once done with the first position, you may now add another keyframe to set a new timestamp for your scrolling video to move to another position. You may now do this to the succeeding parts of your scrolling video. I will do a time-lapse here for you to see the whole process. Once you're done with the corner pin effect, do not forget to use this compound clip feature. This will allow you to save the edit that you did as a clip to be used later for your project. As you can see, we now have two clips. One is the compound clip and the other one is the original clip.
But he's kept his composure.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
There's a running.
Let's now use it as overlay on our video. Here, I'll be adding a surface blur effect on the background video. Make sure it covers the whole frame. You may also add text clips with perspective effects that matches with your edit. There are some clips that are available here, such as Text Reel 1 and Text Reel 2.
Frustrated. Now he feels happy.
Lastly, let's add a glowing effect to our 3D scrolling video clip. Search Glowing in Effects tab, drag and drop this effect to your clip, and we're done. Let's watch the results.
Reflection of the game.
Here's Ronaldo looking for the goal.
Told you he was frustrated. Now he feels happy.